So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a guest on your Airbnb reservation. So first of all, go to Airbnb. After that, you can see Airbnb, you can see the search in the middle, you can see your account here, and you will need to log in using your email and password. After that, you can see some offers for renting places in your vicinity. After that, you can find adding guests through here, so you can see messages, trips, and wish lists. Click on trips. From here, you will have your reservation. I will just show you through a couple of things. So through here, you can see click trips, select the reservation you'd like to share. So you will see your reservation. It will also have a picture next to it, so you don't have to even memorize what's the correct name of it. You can see your reservation details, go to there, and from there, click on manage guests. You can send trip details, which will be a sort of sharing. You can do it through SMS, through WhatsApp, and other avenues of sharing information. From there, you can select that to send to your guests. Now, I will just show you how it will look like once you do have it. So I'm using just this as an example. It says last step, tell the host who's joining you it's their home. After all, they'll also email you, the guest, the itinerary. So if you've added a guest, put in the full name and email address of that guest, and for any guest more that you want to add, just put in the full name and email address, and the host will go through you to either contact them, just for the host to get a better understanding of who's visiting their homes. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Airbnb or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.